Today we present to you a fantastic supplement for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and all other plants. The ingredient we use today often ends up in the trash, but it is actually extremely useful. Before planting, it is crucial to prepare the soil by adding compost or fertilizer to create optimal conditions for plant growth. A lot of people don't have manure, so we're going to do just as good supplementing today. Due to the great need for potassium during the growth and ripening of tomatoes, it is important to fertilize the soil with this mineral. In addition to potassium, nitrogen and phosphorus are also needed. Nitrogen promotes the growth of leaves. Phosphorus is necessary for root development, while potassium helps maintain the balance of water and nutrients inside the plant. Today we are using a banana peel, which we will cut into smaller pieces to facilitate the release of nutrients. We prefer to grow bananas organically to give our plants only the best, but if they are not organic, be sure to wash them well. Banana peel is an excellent natural fertilizer for tomatoes as it is rich in potassium, nitrogen and phosphorus. It also contains magnesium, which is crucial for the process of photosynthesis in tomatoes, improving the absorption of solar energy. Place the sliced peels in a container. We are using 5-gallon bucket and fill half the container with hot water. Cover the container and let the peel soak in hot water for at least 3 hours. The longer you let it sit, the richer the mixture will be in minerals. After the tea has stood for a couple of hours, strain it. Dilute the resulting tea by adding water as needed, adjusting the concentration according to the type of plant. You can water before sowing or already planted plants. Water once or twice a month. In addition to watering, you can also use this solution for foliar application. Simply strain the mixture through cheesecloth and spray the plants once or twice a month. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications. Your support is greatly appreciated.